Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. So glad you're joining us today. I am preparing a very colorful salad, fruit-filled salad to go with dinner tonight. We are smoking some really thick pork chops in our smoker, and we're gonna have some roasted veggies to go with it. And then we're gonna have this spinach salad. It has strawberries and blueberries, apples. I always throw in cucumber and some shredded carrots. And we have some fontina cheese. Fontina is a really soft, kind of creamy cheese, and it pairs with blueberries so well. It is delicious. I could literally just put these in a bowl together and eat them as a snack. And we're gonna top it off with a little feta. And then I am doing a honey balsamic style dressing to go on top. So let us start with our salad bowl, our bag of spinach. I just did a nectarine salad the other day, and it was so yummy. Nectarine is so sweet and goes so well in salads. All right, that should be a good start for us. We are very big on making a big salad and then kind of eating it up throughout the rest of the week. I will link to some of our other salad recipes here during this video, so for sure to look above for those to pop up. I'm going to put all the ingredients and directions in the description below. And let's see, we're going to start with the cucumbers. And we are going to put in the apple. I just cut up one apple and dice it up really small. We're gonna give this a little toss. Let me grab my tosser here. I'm gonna sprinkle in some of the shredded carrots and that fontina cheese. I had to use some of that up, so perfect way to just add it into a fruit-filled salad, because again, it just goes so well with fruit. If you're making a cheese board or charcuterie, fontina just pairs so well with your sweet fruits. Okay, that is mixed in, and now I'm going to grab my strawberries. I was all set to make a strawberry Texas style sheet cake with real strawberries in the cake and in the frosting, and then my daughter got into my big strawberry tub and ate like most of them. So I was like, I have 6 strawberries left, can't make the cake yet, that'll have to wait till another time. But I was like, those strawberries will go perfectly with our salad tonight. So the strawberries are on top. They're so pretty. Gonna grab a good handful of blueberries, 2 handfuls. Let's do it. Give it a little shake. Kind of let that soak in there, settle down. And then I have my feta. Now, normally I would not have added the fontina in there. I already have a fair amount of cheese with it, so I'm gonna go a little light on the feta, but I normally would put in probably 1/2 to 3/4 of this container of feta cheese. All right, let's give it a little shake. So this is kind of a multiple layer spinach salad. You've got the sweet fruitiness on top, and then you have the crunchy crispness of the cucumbers and the apples towards the bottom. And we're gonna grab a little bowl to make our honey balsamic vinaigrette dressing. And I am gonna eyeball this, but for this big of a salad, I'm gonna go with probably 3/4 to a cup's worth of balsamic vinaigrette. That should be about good. And I am not gonna pour this all on top right now. I'm actually gonna put this into a lid tight container and store it. That way, every time we go to eat part of this salad this week, the dressing is fresh and the fruits and the veggies stay fresh in the salad. I'm gonna do, you could replace honey with brown sugar. So if you don't have honey, feel free to use brown sugar. And again, I'm eyeballing this. You want about a 1/3 cup of honey. And then we are going to gently mix this together. Get that honey mixed in there really nicely. If you feel like this is still gonna be a little too strong, you could add in a teaspoon or 2 of white sugar. But I feel like the honey really does balance out that balsamic vinaigrette. All right, perfect. All right, we are gonna have this with our dinner tonight. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you can get notified every time we have a new recipe. I put up new recipes almost every day of the week, but that way you will catch them and you won't miss any of them. I love sharing these recipes with you guys. They're easy. Half the time they're healthy if they're not desserts. I love to bake, what can I say? And thank you all so much for sharing our recipes with your family and friends. We appreciate it so much, and we'll see you next time.